Hey, it's Elizabeth, Couch of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna do my best lazy keto meals and my best easy keto meals coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Couch of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to do the best lazy keto meals and best easy keto meals, my top 5 choices that I personally love and have incorporated into my 67-pound weight loss journey. Here's my before and after. Make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Put in the comments easy keto so I know to do more videos just like this. Comments dictate the videos that I do, and also click subscribe with that notification bell. Now let's dive into my top 5 lazy keto meals and easy keto meals, my favorites. Okay, number 1 is going to be for lazy keto and easy keto, hamburger. You can do so many things with hamburgers. Obviously, and again, I always have to get this disclaimer for people, but organic is best, grass-fed is best, do the best you can afford within those. But hamburger, I love as a lazy keto meal or an easy keto meal because you can fry it up really easily. You can freeze it and then microwave it. You can freeze the meat. You can do so many different things with hamburger. It's so diverse. You can make it a cheeseburger, a bacon cheeseburger. You can wrap it in a romaine, lettuce or iceberg lettuce. You can just have it as chopped on top of a salad. You can just have it straight up with some primal mayonnaise. You can do so many different things with hamburger that makes for a great lazy keto meal or easy keto meal. Plus, having a 3-year-old like I do and a hot husband, I need to have meals that they also like, so I'm not making 2 separate meals. So typically when I make my lazy keto hamburger, I'll make mine, and then with them, if they want a bun, they can have a bun. I don't have buns. I don't have that with lazy keto. It's high fat, moderate protein, low carb, and with that high fat, low carb, making sure that my moderate protein, I'm monitoring that of not having too many hamburgers, but combining that with other fats. So ideally, I will put on top of my hamburgers some sort of primal mayonnaise. This is the best, it's the cleanest, but I do use Duke's mayonnaise because it has no sugar added, but it is made out of soybean oil, which is an inflammatory property, so, but I like the taste of it. Shh, don't tell, that's one of my lazy keto secrets, but I do like Duke's mayonnaise, but primal mayonnaise is the best. They do have many different types of flavors, and I'll put that in the description link below. Also, while you're down there, put down in the comments lazy keto so I know to do more videos like it, and give this video a thumbs up. Number 2 for my best lazy keto meal and best easy keto meal is gonna be steak. Let's talk about steaks, my friend. I like meat. On the grass-fed delivery system, I will put that down in the description link below. I love them. It's a family-based company. They've been awesome to me, not just because I'm a YouTuber, just because other people have told me that. But I get my ribeyes from them, my New York strips from them. You can also get your ground beef from them. It's all grass-fed meat delivered to your door. So if you're busy, hello, it's a great thing that you can do. For freezing your meat, I simply just put my steaks out in the refrigerator the night before, or I'll leave it on the counter that morning, which can be dicey because that can cause food poisoning. I'll take the risk though, living on the edge there, taking the risk. But steaks is another one. I like ribeyes, New York strips. Prime rib is also good. I don't usually cook prime rib though, but more so New York strip and ribeyes are the ones that I go to as my go-to favorites. Our Costco does have a great New York strip and ribeye. It's not labeled as grass-fed, but they are from cows that are basically, I can see them out my window, like they are local for the Shenandoah Valley here in Virginia, that are more so grass-fed. So with my grass-fed delivery order, if I have lapped in that, it is a good place. Our Costco, I'll get the meat frozen for my lazy keto meals, break them apart as soon as I get the Costco package, put them in freezer baggies, and then I just pull them out as like one steak for a whole family meal. And it ends up being kind of a cheap keto meal by doing it that way, and then just having romaine salad. 2 cups of spinach is 1 net carb, and it also has an awesome source of potassium and magnesium, which we need in lazy keto and easy keto. Number 3 lazy keto best meal for lazy keto and easy keto is breakfast for dinner. There's a reason. If you are you signed up for my weekly keto meal plan? If you're not, go do that right now and go get my free Aldi shopping list for keto and my free keto Costco shopping list too. But for my weekly meal plan, I always have on there Tuesdays are Taco Tuesdays, and Wednesdays are always breakfast days to help with mindset of keeping things automated. But in my keto breakfast, they're lazy keto breakfast for dinner, like bacon, eggs, sausage. I have a keto oatmeal, which is freaking fabulous. I'll put that down on the description link below too. I didn't have time to cook the things that I normally cook, so I just literally fried up some bacon. I started doing my intermittent fasting with that. I'll get to that a little bit later, but that was my meal, was some bacon. That's what I ate. And then I fasted for 24 hours after that because I was so satiated and so full from the bacon that I didn't need anything else, and it was high fat, low carb, and with that moderate protein. Okay, my next number 4, my best lazy keto meal and best easy keto meals is gonna be shrimp with butter. Now again, I get my seafood because we have a great Costco near us from Costco. The package seems expensive for like a $22, $23 package, but it's not, because I will split that in half right as I get home. For my family of 3, I'll take one of those frozen packages, put them in the refrigerator the night before, and then steam them. If you don't know how to steam shrimp, I will put that in the description link below. It's easy, and I'm a Sesame Street chef. If I can do it, you can totally do it. And then you just, to make it keto, dip the shrimp in grass-fed butter that's melted. It's with a little Old Bay, you will be in heaven. So that is my 4th lazy keto meal and easy keto meals. Number 5 is going to be my keto pizza. I'll put that in the description link below. Recently, I've started doing my lazy keto pizza by making them once a quarter. I've always done that, and I freeze them, but I make them little pizzas. So they're like little DiGiorno, like little frozen pizzas, and I literally make them, let them cool, and then freeze them. So then I can take them out of the freezer already done and just microwave them or put them in like the toaster oven to heat them up. That has been my lazy keto hack, and my easy keto meal hack is because it's already done. And I just do it once a quarter. My little boy, my 3-year-old, helps me with it. So he's learning cooking skills. I'm showing him how to healthy eat. He's getting incorporated into the keto lifestyle. But the keto diet truly has been awesome for him to see as well, but that's for a topic for another video day. So I'm giving you a bonus. Number 6, my bonus is for a great lazy keto meal or easy keto meal is trying intermittent fasting. Y'all, intermittent fasting has helped my weight loss so much. Let me throw up again that before and after picture. Like literally, it has changed my weight loss and helped with loose skin for losing on my 100-pound weight loss journey with autophagy has been phenomenal. We don't talk about intermittent fasting enough because people don't make money off of intermittent fasting. They make them off like keto shakes and keto coffees and keto pills. Like, you don't need that crap. Don't buy those products. Just try intermittent fasting or lazy keto of doing meal prep and then freezing them and eating real food. Again, no shame in people's, like, everyone has their own journey. No shame in that, but that's just my particular opinion. So the bonus tip is try intermittent fasting. I'll put down in the description link below a little bit about my intermittent fasting mistakes, and then you can learn from those to see if intermittent fasting might be good for you to incorporate with lazy keto or easy keto, because the two together, intermittent fasting and lazy keto or easy keto, is like the Avengers. It's like Black Widow with Tony Stark. It just makes for powerful weight loss. You can do powerful things with those two things. There's a reason why Silicon Valley executives are flocking to the intermittent fasting lifestyle, because you have way more productivity in life. So if you're loving this video, put down in the comments below lazy keto. Also make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe and sign up for my free keto weekly Wednesday meal plan that I have. It's totally a free resource, as is my Costco keto shopping list, as is my Aldi keto shopping list. Totally free, my gift to you. And if you have other videos you would like to see, please put those in the comments. Comments dictate what I do on this channel, and I typically release videos for 4 days straight. I take a day break and then release them for another 4 days. So tell me what you want to see, and I would love to hear. Make it a powerful day. Bye, guys. So make sure you check back here for all things lazy keto and easy keto, and for intermittent fasting with weight loss. See you again next time, guys. Make it a powerful day. Bye.